Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having a nice Tuesday evening. This is going to be my watch list for November 29th, 2017. Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel that I created in order for me to share my experiences in the stock market. I like to help people out. I like to share my tips. And that's basically what this is for. If you're a new trader, if you are an intermediate trader, or you're just looking for a different perspective, then I ask you to follow my channel, subscribe, and just watch my videos. And hopefully you can learn something from me. That is my goal, for you to pick up some things from me. That's my ultimate goal. So please subscribe and like if you like these videos. Check me out on Twitter. My handle is @BullsToTheWall. Check me out on Instagram. My handle is @BullsToTheWall Trading. And I do have a free chat room through the Discord app. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description of this video. I am not a financial planner. I'm not a financial advisor. So anything that I discuss here is just my opinion. Please do your own research before investing. I'm not some Wall Street millionaire. I'm just a normal guy that learned to do this, and I just want to share my knowledge. I think that's all I need to say before getting into this watch list. So, I am a momentum trader. So that is what I look for. I trade the pre-market high, previous day high, or intraday high, and I'll show you my criteria. So the first one on the list is ATRS. So what I do is I identify the high of the day and I draw a resistance line. And what I like to do is, did my computer just freeze? No. So what I like to do is I draw my resistance line, and then the theory is that for the price to start moving up to that resistance line and to cross that resistance line with good volume, and that would be a good entry point. So for ATRS, it's all the way up at 190 in the post market. That most likely isn't going to stay up there because it just made a huge jump. Usually stocks, kind of slowly creep up to a target, but this one just made a huge jump. So this one most likely is going to come down. But regardless, I'm going to keep it on my watch list because you never know. FTK is the next one on the list. So the high of day is at 473. And actually, let me change my candles to 5-minute candles so it makes it a little bit easier on the eyes. And this should help. So it's not all bunched up and crazy looking. Oh man, this computer. Sorry about that, guys. I have a pretty crappy computer. Wow. Alright, well, while this is taking forever, I guess I'll let you guys know that I am also looking into swing trading, which is something in the chat room we've been discussing, different strategies for swing trading and how to make that happen. So towards the end of this video, I'll show a couple of companies that I think are going to be good for swing trading. But again, that's not my strong point. That's not my forte, if you will. But I still want to discuss that. So FTK, you can see right there, is a little bit better at 473. BCRX is the next one on the list at 480. And this is an old line, so I will get rid of that. FOSL, this would be the high of yesterday at 780. And as you can tell, it's very close to getting to that line. APPS at 189. GRAM is the next one. This one is at 319. And again, for all these stocks, all we're doing is identifying the high and we're drawing our resistance line. So for this one, DEPO, it's at 645, but I would much rather draw my line at 650 for the whole $0.50 amount. ARWR at 410. And this line that you see right here, that's something from the swing trading that I'm looking into. ENPH is the next one at 327 is where we draw our line. FRTA at let's see, 992, but I'm going to put my line at $10 for the whole number, for that whole number resistance. Same thing here for FTR. This is an old line. It's at 795. I'm going to put my line at $8 because of the whole number resistance. CHS at 880. DDD, man, I got lines everywhere. Let me take this out, and it's at 933. EXPR at 880. And it's I like stocks like this that towards the end of the day they start spiking up because it's showing momentum towards the end of the day. So hopefully they can carry that. CREG, this one had a nice spike in the morning and it peaked out at $4.16. So that's where that line will be drawn. CPRX at 407 right there. CVO at 162. And again, this one's a perfect example. It wasn't really doing much and then it just started spiking up towards the end of the day. So that's something that I like to see. CLF at 664. This is an old line. GRPN, the high was $5.99, so I'm gonna draw my line at $6 for the whole number. SWN 645. I'm gonna draw my line at 650 for the half dollar. And RAD 192. I'm gonna draw it at 192, but I'm also gonna draw a line at $2. So that's my momentum watch list for tomorrow. Now let me show you guys some of the companies that I have for swing trading. Again, I'm not too familiar with swing trading. I'm not a pro. I'm not somebody that's been swing trading a lot. I'm just trying to get into it. So this is all just my opinion. I'm more of a momentum trader. So what I'm about to say could be totally wrong, but this is just my opinion. So I'm just drawing patterns on some of these companies like this. So I have a yearly chart, and I'm just simply drawing patterns and hoping for or waiting for the candles to break that pattern. So that's one that I have on my list. I think this is a good one. So again, this is the pattern, and I'm just waiting for this candle to break this line, and that would be a swing trade that I might get in on, using paper trade first, of course. So here's another one. So you can see the pattern there, and this one's about to break either to the upside or to the downside, but it's gonna happen soon. This is another one. And this one. Yesterday I got into a real life trade, a swing trade, which was with this one. And I bought around 330-ish, and I sold this morning at 350-ish, so about 20 cents per share. So, and you could clearly see it broke that trend. So that's what I'm looking at right now as far as swing trading. And again, this isn't my forte, this isn't my strong point. I'm more of a momentum trader, but this one worked out. It closed above the trend line, and then this morning it opened higher, and that's when I got out. So that's what I'm studying right now. That's what's been working out for me. I'm still gonna be paper trading swing trades until I feel very comfortable with it. If you are a swing trader and you have information, or if I'm doing this totally wrong, or if there's something you want to add, leave me a comment or join our chat room and share share any information that you may have. We would appreciate it, because there's a lot of us in there just helping each other out, and that's what the chat room is for. Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, we're just there sharing knowledge and just helping each other out to become better traders. So if you want to join, again, I'll leave the link in the description. Again, guys, thank you so much for the support. Please follow me on my social media accounts. Please subscribe and like to my YouTube channel. And if you like these videos, just give me a thumbs up, leave me a good comment. That always makes these videos worthwhile. Every time I get a new subscriber or somebody saying good job, it makes everything worthwhile. So I'm going to leave it there. I took a little bit longer than I wanted to. But I'll leave it there, guys. I hope you guys have a nice night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.